beautiful people of the internet. Happy Thursday, Vlogmas Day 20. Yes, I am where I was yesterday in my pajamas. My sister just left. She woke up so early. Oh my God. It was like as soon as I got done vlogging, I ended up going to pick her up at the bus stop. And we ended up chilling over here. She fell asleep on the couch and I came and got in my bed. She just left. T on his way here, which is crazy because I really don't want to see him. I'm so nervous. I don't know what to expect or anything like that. I want to get up and go to the gym. Like, that's my main thing, is I want to go to the gym so bad. And I want to clean up my house because it is like, it's not destroyed, but it could be better. So, that is what we're going to do today. Had to talk with T. Clean out my refrigerator. Clean up the house a little bit. And we might go to the gym. Hello, beautiful people. I done got up. I cleaned up the house, got dressed. My sister ended up selling her boots and stuff on something called Let It Go. And so we had to come up here to the gas station to get it. Put 5 in the tank. Put 5 in the tank. She trying to make fucking friends. She's slow. My sister is slow, I swear. We ain't trying to make friends with these motherfuckers. We on a mission. I feel so bad for this lady. They just took her car, dog. They just took her fucking car, and I feel so bad for her. Like, I feel so sad for her. Because they took her car and put her and her daughter out. I'm so happy it's the Dunkin' Donuts up here so she can, like, you know, at least have somewhere to go sit at. And she ain't go, the lady was nice. But at least it's somewhere where they can, you know, sit down at, and she not just standing out there in the cold. Because it is very cold. It's raining. I just ain't been, I've been trying to help out my sister, so she been over my house a lot. So it's like, you know, gotta hang with my sister. Well, hello, beautiful people. We're going to end today's vlog because, you know, it's short and sweet. That's what it's been lately because, you know, I've been kind of busy. I've been busy. And I've been forgetting the vlog, so. But we just gonna start day, Vlogmas Day 21. So, and we're gonna vlog all day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribing. I'll see y'all in 5 minutes.